Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split Excel file into different files using Validator and compare values transformation object. Let's start from creating new transformation. Let's call it TR2. Next step is to change reader properties. So we are loading data from Excel file, and our connection is source. Excel file is called Crazy IT Guys. We need to select source as well. Let's reformat our source grid. Auto format. And we will be taking the field names from the first line. So basically this file holds a list of trips for IT band, and what we want to do, we want to create a completed trips list and future trips list and save it into separate files. Okay, let's create a completed file. Completed. Connection name is buffer. File name is Excel. Sheet name is data. And we use completed as a file name. Copy of it. Before we do that, let's copy the field definition. Does save a lot of time. Okay, let's copy that. Copy, paste. It's called it pending. An Excel file is pending. Let's do some basic mapping. And another transformer. Do the mapping as well. And we copy it. Okay, we are now ready to set our validation rules. So what we need to do, we need to add format function. I need to set appropriate date format, which is in our case is this one. Then we add current date. Couple of literals. It's very simple. So first one will have value 1. The second one will have value 0. And now add compare values, link it. The last step is that is equal to and we say when it is equal to 1, we won't reject it. We might need to change it. Okay, so and we also need to tweak compare values because our date data type is date. You want to check if value 1 is less than value 2. Okay, let's check if it is actually working. So click process data. Okay, it is. Failing because it is completed. No, it is failing because it is not completed yet. So this one is completed and that one is completed. So everything is working as expected. Let's see. Okay, here's up pending. Yeah. These are the dates in the future. These ones are the completed ones. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.